Hello, hi. How are you all? So, in the previous sessions we have learned what is computer and its different parts. We know that computer is a machine and it works with electricity. And its parts are very sensitive. So, we should take much care. For the proper functioning of computer, there are some do's and don'ts. Let's learn that today. In the last few sessions, we have learned what is computer. What is computer? Computer is a machine and it works with electricity. It helps us to do many things. Also, we have learned different parts of computer that are monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU. There are some other parts also we can connect to the computer. They are printer, speaker and scanner. So we know that now computer is a machine and it works with electricity. Electricity is very dangerous. So we must handle with much care. Also, computer is a very sensitive machine. For the proper functioning, we must follow some do's and don'ts. Something we should do and something we should not do to the computer, so that it will work properly. Let's learn that. Do's and don'ts. Be safe. Computer works on electricity. So, be safe. Keep safe. Otherwise, you will get shock. Be gentle. Computer is so delicate machine, so handle with much care. Keep it clean. Dust is harmful for a computer. Keep a correct posture. Posture means sitting position. How you are sitting in front of the computer. Some of you are laying down on the bed and watching the online classes. Some of you are sitting and like this, you are sitting simply like this. So that's not correct postures. You have to keep a correct posture. Make your back straight. Sit in a, that's why in the circular father told, sit in a straight proper place, sit properly. Otherwise it will harm your back bones. So once more, be safe because computer works on electricity. Be gentle. Computer is delicate machine. Keep it clean. Dust is harmful for a computer. Keep a correct posture. A bad posture can harm your back. Now let's learn some do's. Try to keep your computer and its surroundings tidy and clean. Every day you must wipe out the dust from the computer. Gently cover the computer before leaving the computer room using some clothes or covers. You must cover your computer to Make it dust free. Inform your teacher or an elder if you find that a wire has come out. I told computer works with the electricity. So if you find any wire or loose contact, don't go and touch on that. You must inform that to your parents or to your teachers. Turn off the monitor. If you are not going to use your computer for the next 20 minutes, it saves energy. If you are not using your computer for the next 20 or 30, half an hour, you can turn off, at least you can turn off your monitor. If you are not using for more than that, you can shut down the system. It saves energy, it saves your power consumption, electricity. So you can turn off the monitor or shut down the system if you are not using the computer for long time. Maintain a proper distance from the monitor. You must keep a safe distance from the monitor because monitor emits radiation that will affect your brain and eyes. So keep a distance from the monitor, safe distance from the monitor. That's why teachers and parents are saying you don't spend too much time on the mobile phones, on the computer or on the computer by simply playing. And we are reducing the online class time also for 1 hour and 1.5 hours like that. It will harm your eyes. So maintain a proper distance from the monitor. Everybody should get an equal chance to learn and play. Share your computers with your friends. At your home, if you have brother or sister, you must share your system with them. Don't fight for the system. You can share your system with the friends or with your siblings. Now let's learn about some don'ts that you should not do while using the computer. Don'ts of computer, something you should not do with the computer. Don't eat or drink anything near a computer. Most of you have a habit of drinking coffee or milk or eating something in between while watching the online class or something on the computer, doing something on the computer. That will affect your system. How? Sometimes water will spill over the system, or sometimes your eatables will fall on the system. So that will damage your system. Don't insert anything like your finger or pencil or an eraser or any such things into the computer. And in the computer there may be some holes. So don't try to insert your fingers, you will get shocked. And pencil or eraser or something, stick or something, that will damage your system. So don't insert anything like your finger or pencil or eraser or stick, any such things into the computer. Never pull out cables and wires from a computer. I told you that computer works with electricity. So don't pull out any cables or wires from the computer. You will get shocked. Don't sit very close to the monitor screen. Keep a safe distance from it. that will damage your eyes. So keep a safe distance from the monitor screen. Also, try to reduce your screen time. Most of you are now watching, you are playing games or watching movies or some other items on the mobile phones or computer screen. Not only the online class, some other things also you are watching, and you are spending a lot of time in front of the screen. Please avoid that, because you are small kids and this radiation will affect your eyes. Now let's read our textbook. All of you open your textbook and read along with me. Put your pencil under each word and repeat the words while I am reading. Do's and don'ts for using computer. Do's and don'ts for using computers. We should keep our computer neat and clean. We should keep our computer neat and clean. Next picture. We should share our computer with others. We should share our computer with others. So here we should keep our computer dust free. That I told you must cover it with some clothes or cover. And we should share computer with your brothers, friends, or your friends or other siblings. Next one, go to the next row. Here, we should use the parts of a computer gently. Touch, don't hit on the keys. Gently press the parts of the computer, mouse and keys of the keyboard and mouse. We should sit properly while working on a computer. Your sitting posture. Sit straight, otherwise, that will affect your back bones. So once more, we should use the parts of a computer gently. We should sit properly while working on a computer. Next page. We should not touch or pull the wires connected to a computer. We should not touch or pull the wires connected to a computer. I told computer works with the electricity, so don't touch on the wires, any wires on the computer. Next one, we should not keep the volume of the speaker high. It will disturb others. So you can use a headset, or in a low volume, use low volume. We should not snatch the mouse or keyboard from our classmate. We should not snatch the mouse or keyboard from our classmates or friends. Don't snatch anything from others. You can ask with their permission, you can use that. So, not only computer parts and everything, you must ask permission, ask them and get it. Don't snatch it from others. Next one, we should not bang on a computer and its parts. Don't hit on the computer. Use gently, same thing. Now let's do the next page. There is a test paper from these 3 chapters. Let's do that. All of you take your pencil and get ready. Are you ready now? Let's start. Okay. First one. Tick the correct answers. Which of these is a natural thing? We have learned in the first chapter natural things and man-made things. So here which one is the correct answer for the first one? Which of these is a natural thing? That is rabbit is a natural thing. Put a tick mark here in the natural things box. First A, option A. let's move on to the next question. Which of these is a machine? Which of these is a machine? Here again, first one. This is camera, this is bird. So which one is machine? Machine is first one, camera. We use computers to cook food. Option B, type letters. We use computers to, option A, cook food. Option B, type letters. Which one? Cook food? No, to type letters. Okay. Now, the fourth question. Which of these is called the brain of a computer? Which of these is called the brain of a computer? Which one? Mouse or CPU? Which one? Option A, CPU. Option B, mouse. Which one? CPU is the brain of the computer. Now, fifth one. A keyboard has many buttons called. Keyboard has many buttons, small buttons on the keyboard are called locks. Option A. Option B, keys. Which one? Keys. You can put tick mark inside the keys box. Option B, keys. Once more, I will repeat that. First one, which of these is a natural thing? Option A. Second, which of these is a machine? Option A, camera. We use computers to, option B, type letters. Which of these is called the brain of a computer? CPU. A keyboard has many buttons called keys. I hope all of you have completed your work. Shall I move on to the next one? Section B. Write true or false. T for true or F for false. If it is correct, you can write T. If it is wrong, you can write false. First one, a computer does not make mistakes. Computer never make mistake. Is it true? We human beings make mistake. Computer never make mistake. So that's true. You can write T there. Okay. Second question. A desktop computer is smaller and lighter than a laptop. What is desktop computer? Yeah, that computer we are using in the lab with the big monitor and CPU. That is called the desktop computer. And laptop computers, now all of you have that laptop computer. Which one is lighter and smaller? Laptop computer. So here question is, a desktop computer is smaller and lighter than a laptop computer. Is it true? No, that is wrong. So that is false. F. You can write F. Next one. Third one. We cannot listen to music on a computer. We can't listen to music using computer. Using mobile phones, mobile phone also part of computer. So using mobile phone, you can't listen music. Is it true? No, it's false. So write F there. You can write F. Fourth one, we use a computer to draw picture. We can draw pictures using computer. Is it true or false? Think. Yes, we are using paint for drawing, text paint, MS Paint for drawing pictures. So we can use computer for drawing pictures. So that is true. Let us change the color and write T. For marking, you can also use your color pencils. You can write true with green color pencil, false with the red color pencil. Okay, that you can do. Fifth one, a computer is used at railway stations. We are using computer. We learned that we are using computer at so many places like banks, airport, then schools, at home, shops and railway station also. So that also true. Once more a recap. First one, a computer does not make mistakes. True. Second one, a desktop computer is smaller and lighter than a laptop. False. We cannot listen to music on a computer. False. We use a computer to draw pictures. True. A computer is used at railway stations. True. I hope all of you have completed your work. So by this, let's wind up the session for today. All of you read do's and don'ts and exercise, write and study that answers. Thank you.